All right, Ledesma. Today I'm here to show you how to take a Google drawing, which is a tool that we use to create posters and infographics and things like that. And we're going to embed that onto a Kidblog post so that your classmates can see it and comment on it. So, both useful tools that we use at Ledesma. You're going to find out that this process is pretty much the same way that you would embed a slideshow onto Kidblog, but this time you're going to use Google Drawings instead. So take a look here. Step one, of course, is complete your Google Drawing. Okay, I've done that now. Number two, click on File and use the drop down menu to go to Publish to the Web. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to go to File and I'm going to go over here to Publish to the Web. Okay, now once I do that, I'm going to click the Embed button right here because it defaults to link, and I'm going to go to Embed and then I'm going to click Publish. Okay, so here I am. I've published it. Okay, now I have this code right here, and I'm going to hit Control C, and I'm going to get the code. Okay, then I go over to Kidblog, and I've already opened up a new post and given it a title. I call it How to Embed a Google Drawing into Kidblog. So here it is. Now I have to click this HTML button, okay, because that's where the code goes. And I'm going to Control V and copy that code in there. So once again, I got the code over here. I hit Control C to copy it, and I brought it over here to Kidblog, and I hit Control V to paste it in there. Now I want to go to Visual and look to see, does it look like I want it to look? Does it appear there? And if you take a look, here it is on Kidblog. So this looks right. Okay, so I have a title. I've gone in there and I've pasted the code into the HTML part. Okay, and then I checked it on Visual to see if it looks right. Now on Kidblog, you have to remember to publish your work. Otherwise, you lose your work. So I will click the Publish button. And since there's no picture of me there, I'm going to go ahead and publish it to the public so that people can see it. And there it is. Now I can look at it and I can go, okay, yeah, this looks exactly like what I was trying to publish on my Kidblog post. So my Google Drawing is now there. I have the entire poster right there on Kidblog, and it is ready to turn in. And of course, on Kidblog, I want to turn it in on Google Classroom most of the time, so I will copy this link on the top and put that in to Google Classroom. But that's a different lesson for another time. So at any rate, I hope you understood this. I hope you watched this video a couple of times if you need help. And I look forward to seeing all of your work on Google Drawings and Kidblog. Have a great day.